Hey YouTube, Big Ford guy here again. Just give me a little update on the 72 that I'm changing it back into a 71 and restoring the whole car basically. This is what we got. We got the back of it all done. Well, mostly done. See how nice that come out? Like I said, we fixed it all, so you can't even tell up in the corners. Both those corners are rotted. We put all new corners in on it. Over there. Sorry about that. Right here. We still got up there to do. That corner right there. We still got these corners to do. Well, I got this back piece all done like I said. You can't even tell it's welded in. We welded it all in. It's all done. But we did, like I said, we took the back window out of it. We opened up another rat's nest, which I knew. Like I said, I just car 17 years, ain't did nothing. Got all the rust right there. Up at the top. The biggest spot was I couldn't figure out, my windows were leaking in the back into my trunk. Well, there she is over there. Look at that hole. That's where my back window set. So now what we gotta do is cut that all out, weld a whole new piece in. That's where my back window would sit up in there. We took the back window out on it. No back windows out, but there up at the top, we got a spot there. I still got to take the windshield out, which I normally had rust in it. But over there is the bad part, was leaking right through the car, everything. That's bad, which I kind of sort of knew. Sorry. I kind of sort of knew it was bad, so we have to weld that out. I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. The top overall, the top part of the car, we got the vinyl off, ain't too bad. Like I said, the back we got all in. Down here, I don't remember when I cut the piece out. I gotta still sand it, but we got the new piece welded in. That's gonna be a thin layer when I'm done, so we hardly no glass there at all. So I went over that. That'll be all done. Still got this spot to do. The whole car is basically tore apart. I mean, a little trick I wanted to show you guys. I'm working on the trunk lid over here. Right here. I don't know if you can tell or not. Let's see if I can turn on my light. But that's yellow. This was all rusted through here. It was all rusted. And what I usually do is I use, I'm not trying to promote nothing here, but I use white vinegar. I use like 80% vinegar and 20% water. And this I sprayed down a while. I don't know if you can see that. See all that rust? I sprayed this hours ago. And all you gotta do is spray back over it with a light spray. Like that. Just take a cloth and check it out. Sorry about the camera moving. Look at it. And just take a cloth with after you spray it over it. I don't know if you can see the difference. But it is yellow, as you can see right there. Watch. Take this over. It's only me holding the camera, doing everything. So, but look, now the rust is dead. That rust you see, that was brown, it turns black. Let me get my camera adjusted. It turns black like that. That means the rust is dead. Vinegar works really well. White vinegar. Like I said, I already did that side. A little bit of glass. And you can see on here it's yellow. Hope the camera's picking it up. I don't know about the yellow, but over there it's yellow. Just spray a bunch more on it. And just keep going over with a towel. And bingo. You can see where the yellow's gone. Where I'm wiping it. And that's how I do it. I mean, it kills all the rust. As soon as that rust turns black, you see that rust turning black like that? Sorry about the camera moving all over, guys. Once that rust turns black like that, that's it. I mean, I consider it dead. But white vinegar, I use, look, after you whip it all up, back up the camera, see? It kills all the rust, and after you, it works really, really well. Really, really well. But I figured I'd do some updates on the car, like my back pieces. These are off the 71. They were all dented along here. I repaired all those and fixed those. Lot to do. Still got to take the windshield out on her. Like I said, this back part's really bad. Let's see if I can get a different angle at it so I can show you from the back out. This is the inside. We got it all tore apart. But look at back through there. See how bad that is? That whole section's got to be cut out and welded. That whole section for the window. And that's why she was leaking. Actually, when we took the back window out, the back part of the window wasn't even sealed. The old sealer let loose on it. But this is the inside. We got it all tore apart. I'm gonna fully restore it from front to back. So it may take me some time, but I'll keep you up on videos, and when we get that welded in, like I say, you'll be able to see what that looks like after. That's the back around my back window. Got to weld it in 2 pieces probably. Overall, the top itself, pretty solid. It's just the corners where it leaked in through the seals and everything. So I'll keep you guys updated. I mean, as much as I can. Depends when I work on the car. Oh, sorry about that. But we're getting slowly. Like I said, we got the back done. The back where the 71 is, like I said, some little sanding, but where all the pieces are, everything good. Let me show you here. Sorry, let me grab a corner. Once you get the corners on it, now I have to drill holes for these and everything. So, but once you get the corner on it, hold on. Sorry about that. Once you get your corner on it, that's how it'll look. I'll line it all up and everything, but that's how looking back, and it'll look good. You'll never know it's been touched. Like I said, we did all the new ring, all this new, all the new trimming for the trunk was bad. All this metal right here was rotted. That was all gone. Actually, I think I got the other ones here. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to show you the other ones. Let me see if I can cut. Oh, yeah. Here's the other corners that we took off the car. That's what we took off the car. This is the piece we cut out of the car. That was bad. That was bad right there. That's one side. This is the other. The other side, which is not as bad as the other side, but it's rotted right there, right through. So right there's where it was rotted through. Still gotta do the uppers and downers, and like I said, we'll do the whole car. I'll keep you guys informed. I do the best I can on my videos for you guys. For all you Ford guys out there. Like I say, like, don't take nothing to share, subscribe. If you like the channel. I'm not the greatest video guy, but I figured what I do, I might as well share with everybody else to help them learn a little something. So this is Big Ford Guy with the 72 project saying, see you on my next video.